I didn't mind making house calls, but I'm not a seafaring bird, and the water makes me queasy. But seeing as you've come from all the way up north, Mr. Nessie, I've been making an exception for you.
Oh, thank you, Dr. Wood. I be at my wit's end. 1 minute I'll be swimming along, minding my own business, then bam! I get this awful pain right here.
Classic neuralgia. Just think of it, young Quentin. We're finally getting the chance to test out me new method of pain relief.
No, Doctor, it's too dangerous.
Quentin, remember your oath. Can you not see the poor laddie is suffering?
You're right, Doctor.
Plan S?
Plan S.
All right then. Morphine.
But, Doctor...
I said morphine, damn it!
And that's the story of the syringe. Believe it or don't.